And with potentially damaging winds in the forecast, local power companies are gearing up for a busy day and night ahead. That includes Avista, which serves nearly 430,000 customers.
So KREM 2's Regan Gallo has more on how they're preparing and what they're telling some of us to do if we're home tonight getting ready. Regan?
Mark and Laura, right now I'm on the South Hill just off of High Drive looking over Highway 195, and the wind is already pretty strong this afternoon. I do feel like I'm just going to be blown away, to be very honest. Now, again, I spoke to Avista Utilities as well as Spokane County Emergency Management, and both say that they have teams preparing for pretty much an all-night weather event with those winds expected through Wednesday. Now, both groups also expressed concern that the saturated soil from recent rain and flooding has weakened trees, increasing the risk of downed power lines and blocked roads with those high winds. They say it's important for customers and residents to prepare to bring anything outside of the home inside that may fly away or get knocked down. Avista Utilities say their customers spread from Othello to Kellogg, and they say they'll be working around the clock to restore lost power.
We are prepared. Crews are ready with fully fueled fleet vehicles, equipment on hand. We will rally to situations from outlying areas if a specific area is impacted. Please treat all power lines like they're energized. Don't drive over them. Don't touch them.
Now, officials also encourage people to prepare the home with food, flashlights, a generator in case of a power outage, also to bring pets and animals indoors because of those high winds. And if you're driving a lifted vehicle, take extra precaution when you are on the roadways. Now, officials also want to make sure you stay up to date on those wind and weather events happening outside through notifications for Spokane County, Alert Spokane, for Kootenai County, Alert Kootenai, and for Avista, they have an outage app for your smartphone that's available. We will also be updating throughout the night and tomorrow morning with that wind coverage on KREM.com. I'm reporting in Spokane, Regan Gallo, KREM 2 News.